wrestler. The way it swings and drags those logs, you'd think it was born in the wild. That was a totally unnecessary stunt. The M35A2 suspension is designed to turns can quickly strain the components. Operators should always drive with caution and power. The K700 is a force to be reckoned with. That wheel, I'm impressed. Precise. Press the trigger, and immediately minus 10 to 20 liters of diesel. It's done. The machine is working like a charm. I'm amazed. It's the same task, lowering the truck bed. But the skill difference between these two thought he could handle
That huge load all by himself. What a tough task. But thanks to his The 320D is making it look easy, and the operator is a master of his craft. This cement is so Give credit to the Volvo excavator operator.
Support the trucks as they safely climb the hill. The operator is definitely the hero of the day. The definition of perfection. It's simply amazing.
When an excavator decides to leave the mountain, nothing can hold it back. Not the weather. Patience seems a bit underwhelming. B must have been working tirelessly. The driver managed to escape safely. Whether it's hauling timber or not, getting stuck on this road seems...
damn such power, amazing respect for the tractor driver. This is what is called skill, high flying hours. What looks difficult becomes very easy to over...
It's been nearly 15 minutes. No, it hasn't. 7.
Watching those cranes fall was like witnessing a massive game of dominoes in action. Instead of a hero. The unforgiving terrain of Ducktech had halted the men from reaching their destination. The rescue was grueling as the truck inched forward. We hope you found these innovations fascinating.